So the first question is, well, has to be, what is a joint venture? Well, the starting point is that a joint venture is simply a business arrangement in which two or more parties agree to pool their resources for the purpose of accomplishing a specific objective. That's what a joint venture actually is. And it covers a very wide range of collaborative business arrangements, each of which involves some degree of business integration and either may be for a fixed period or an indefinite period. Each of the participants in a joint venture is ultimately jointly responsible for all of the profits, losses, and costs associated with that joint venture. However, the JV is its own entity, separate from the participants' other business interests. We have definitely got difficulties in securing equality. It is virtually impossible in any JV arrangement to maintain total equality. Inevitably, as we discussed earlier, one party is going to end up putting in a little bit more than the other party to the venture, be it capital, skills, resources, and this can create an imbalance, which then causes friction if it isn't tackled. And the fourth thing is challenges around communication. Communication is key in business. It's particularly important in a JV. And if objectives aren't clear, then it can be difficult for the partners in a JV to understand exactly what it is that they're working towards and exactly what their respective responsibilities are. And finally, we've got this general obligation of confidentiality. So directors are going to obtain a significant amount of information relating to the JV because they'll be attending board meetings and they'll be getting records and reports. And so therefore, it's quite normal for the shareholders and the boards of a JV to agree in advance in the joint venture agreement the types of information that can be passed back to them by their nominated directors. So the JV issue is you've got to ensure that a JV director can pass confidential information to the appointing shareholders without the director being liable for breaching a confidentiality obligation.